Tiger, guys. It's Luigi here, and I'm gonna be talking about how I came up with Five Nights at Smash Bros. It's actually a pretty cool story. Well, anyways, let's just talk about it. So, yeah, the newspaper just... Also, the phone number was inspired by Impending Sunlit Bell. He told me, like, to do the phone number. Well, thanks to him, though. And... anyways, though, Impending Sunlit Bell, I remember, like, he said, called the restaurant, Super Smash Pizza. Anyways, I see the characters Luigi, Mario, and Kirby. Well, anyways, I just muted it, so you guys won't hear my voice, but you guys can hear it if you want when you play the game. But anyways, guys, well, anyways, so these characters were originally planned, but Fox is in there, so originally I was gonna have Yoshi instead of Fox, but then I scrapped the idea and wanted to do Fox because it would sound a lot better. And yeah. So anyways, though, about the game though, I was really like a big fan of Smash Bros. I really wanted to make a Five Nights at Freddy's game. I like a Five Nights at Freddy's game based off of Smash Bros. Though. Well, yeah, guys. Anyways, though, I remember when I made this remastered version, like, the stage poses were a bit different. Like, I put Luigi on the right and Kirby on the left because I kind of switched it up, and Mario's still in the middle, but you know what, it's alright, though. Yeah, because I think it's because, like, of this pose from Luigi, it makes a lot more sense, like, so yeah. Well, anyways, though, I'm gonna be talking about, like, some of the poses, though. So, wait. So, let's just wait until Luigi moves. He moves around 2 a.m. Also, that... hold on. I want to talk about this poster. See that Mario poster? It needs to be Metal Mario. Hold on. I'm going to talk about how I came up with the Metal Mario thing. I'm just going to say, I wanted to, like, see... if there's any characters who could be like Golden Freddy and beside Metal Mario. Hold on. Luigi move. Well, yeah, he has another pose in the dining area, but yeah. This pose, like, he's just, like, getting ready to, like, get the Night Guard, which is Link. But anyways, though, I'm going to be talking about Metal Mario. Well, oh my god, why isn't it showing? Kind of a hard Easter egg to get. Well, anyways, though, so yeah. Also, I remember creating two party rooms for the original one, but for the remastered one, I wanted to do an arcade room because I thought it would be fun, though. Well, yeah, I still kept this as a party room, though. But yeah, I remember Luigi's pose used to be he wasn't behind the table, but for this one, it's like Luigi's behind the table. Well, yeah. Anyways, though, that pose, like, I wanted to, like, show that pose so it would show Luigi's shadow when he's, like, coming, though. Yeah, well, anyways, though, like, I thought it would be a good pose so you would see Luigi's shadow. And then there's also another pose where he's gonna come, like, to the office. Just, he has two poses in that camera, by the way. Also, anyways, I want to talk about Kirby, how I came up with, like, Kirby with the chef hat. Well, it's actually a cool story. So the reason why I came up with Kirby in the chef hat because, oh yeah. So you see Luigi in that pose, though. But yeah, that means he's coming, though. But yeah, anyways, about Kirby with the chef hat, guys. It's a pretty cool story because I wanted to make him, like, look like Chica. Yeah, Chica. And I was gonna add the bib, but I said, oh, this wouldn't be good for Kirby, so I just added a chef hat because he's a good cook. And you remember in Smash Bros. Brawl that Final Smash where he's like cooking soup though? I know Luigi's at the door, but yeah. Oh yeah, I remember I added like everyone's posing the restroom. So yeah, I remember I added like Mario and Kirby like showing themselves, but the reason why Luigi's eyes are like only showing his white eyes because I think he was too shy to show himself. That's what I'm gonna say. Oh yeah, that pose. The reason why I wanted to do that pose for Luigi for the remastered version of the first game because I want to like represent like his death stare. That's why. Well, yeah, it kind of makes sense though that he's looking at you in his death stare. Yeah, well. Anyways, though, like I remember like when I was done the 5 Minutes of Smash Bros. Remastered. Like I released it on Scratch, and then I remember around November putting it on Game Jolt, and I saw how much downloads I got, and I'm like, oh my god, that's a lot of downloads. But yeah. Anyways, though, I still think I did a good job in the 5 Minutes of Smash Bros. Series. But anyways, about 5 Minutes of Smash Bros. 2 Remastered, it's still going good. Me and G-Former are still working on it together. So yeah. Well, anyways, guys, it's almost about to be 7 a.m. and yeah. And y'all guys will see the 7 a.m. screen. Like, I think a lot of you saw it, but some people who didn't, I'll just show you. But yeah. Luigi's just coming. But yeah. So anyways, guys. Also, the reason why I wanted to come up with a window, by the way, is because I thought it would be very interesting, like the kitchen window. So yeah. Well, originally I was gonna have another door, but yeah, I just scrapped the idea and put a window. Well, anyways, guys, it's about to hit 7 a.m. Yeah, so oh yeah, the reason why you see it's like a Luigi theme because you know I'm a big fan of Luigi. I wanted to do that for fun. Well, yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and you guys can still download the game in the link in the description. So peace out, guys.